Hi guys, today I want to talk about a feature which we recently developed to improve the experience of event organizers and attendees. It's called broadcast actions. So let me tell you what it does. So suppose my event conference is about to go live. As an event organizer, I want other attendees to let them know and ask them to join the conference. So I can create a broadcast and put an action in it. Let me show you. I click on create broadcast and I say it's about to go live, and I in the end of the editor there's a button which makes us create the action. So I say join. I can put any label here, but I say I join conference, and I can put the location here. The location is main stage. That's where the conference is happening. And this is the button that appears in the broadcast. And what I can do is I can publish here, and everyone on the event will see this. Whenever someone clicks on the join conference, uh, they'll join the event. So this is how it can be done, and it's not just limited to main stage. We can share, we can put an action to join a room, join a category, and basically everything else. So yeah, this was the feature I wanted to talk about, and please let us know about any feedback you have, and if any feature you want to develop, and we are looking forward to that. Thank you very much.